Hello, Escambia County teachers. Did you create a seating chart last year that you'd like to use again this year for your students? Here's how you would do that. Log into Focus and select Seating Charts on the left. The first screen you will see when you have no existing seating charts is a page letting you know you can create a new seating chart or link an existing chart. That's right, if you had one last year, it will still be available. Select the green Link an Existing Chart tab. A pop-up screen will appear, and here you will use the pull-down to find any existing chart layout or layouts you want to apply to your current class. And there you go, your seating chart appears. Now you just have to add your students. Now if you already skipped past that first screen and have already created a seating chart, there is another option to link an existing one. Click on the Charts tab. Here you will see a tab called Link Chart. Select that to find the room number of the seating chart you want to use. Here's a quick tip. In this chart, you can also get rid of any existing charts that you no longer want to use. You would just click on the red minus icon on the left to delete it. Again, now you just need to add your students. Thanks so much for watching. For a more detailed video about using seating charts, check out our Student Data YouTube channel for more information.